Hello, we've just released DuoFlux, a cutting-edge dual modulation plugin designed to elevate your mixes and add depth to your soundscapes. DuoFlux splits your signal between two separate modulation units in a variety of ways, allowing you full control over your sound. Both units have dedicated tape modules, and you can choose from 17 different modulation algorithms to really dial in your sound. Let's hear a few examples.
It's just a roll of the dice. It's just a roll of the dice. It's just a roll of the dice.
So go and try DuoFlux yourself. Get your 15-day fully working trial at unitedplugins.com.